it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Athlecrate. Okay, so this is, I wrote everything down so I would not forget because there's a couple different things about this. This is a subscription for fitness and wellness enthusiasts. Now when you sign up, you're going to tell them a little bit about yourself, your male, female, your shirt size, things like that. And then they will send you one of their 2 boxes, whatever you choose. They have the light, which is a sampler box that contains 2 to 4 items and is $39.95 monthly. And then there's the full size, which is $49.95 monthly and contains 6 to 8 items. I do not know which one this is yet, but I think just based on like the size, I'm guessing this is going to be the sampler box. We're going to find out together though. So it's really cute. It says too fit to quit. So it's like a motivational box and gives you items that you otherwise might not have found out about. So here's our first glimpse. All right. I don't know exactly what to expect either. So we're rolling with this. We're rolling with it. All right. Thank you for your order. Got a sec share. Oh, it's just a social sharing page thing there. All right. There's a little card, a little gift from me to you, 10% off an Athlecrate subscription, and there's a code there. I don't know if I can share that with you guys. I'm going to find out and let you know down below. If I can, I will. All right. Some of us drink tea. Perfect day tea. So this, ooh, I love tea. I got tea in a box. So this is green rooibos, dried pineapple, dried mango, dried papaya, orange peel, dried apple pieces, calendula petals, rose petals, and natural flavor. And then it does have steeping instructions on there. So that's really cool. I love tea, so nice. All right, we got some Athlecrate socks. I love having socks. I have so many socks. And they're all like, I would never get rid of any of them until they have like, you know, holes in them and whatnot. So there's those. Very cool. I like it a lot. All right. So that's 2 items. I think this is the larger box actually, because it says 2 to 4 for the smaller one. And we've already got 2 items, and there's a whole, let me just show you here, a whole bunch of stuff in there. All right. So this says Double Under Wonder. It looks like it is a jump rope. I'm going to have to hide this for my kids because my kids have a bad wrap with jump ropes, and this is like a very nice one. So here it is, and this is like an adjustable jump rope. So this is a real one that you would actually use to work out or, you know, fitness. It does come with its own instructions, and look at all the different patterns they have for jump ropes. They have orange. I love orange. You guys know that. And then there is a coupon on there. Tips for adjusting or using your adjustable rope. So there's all these little tips on how to use it too. Double Under Wonder, and it has its own bag. I am going to have to hide you, buddy. All right. Oh, I can smell that. That smells good. And if you're interested, of course, in the full review, I'm going to link to that below. I'll do a price breakdown, and then I'll also link to Athlecrate so you can check them out. All right, right here we have lavender hand and body soap. This is a 4.5 ounce bar. This is from Jennifer's Handmade Soap. I can smell it. It's making the whole box. It's mild and like creamy, like lavender. Like you have lavender floral, but this has like a more creamy note to it. It's very nice. I like it. And I love soap, so I will accept. All right. Next, we've got 2 of the RX bars. These are awesome. So all these have in them, they're protein bars. So it says 12 grams protein in each. All these have is egg whites, almonds, cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. This is the mint chocolate. This is egg whites, almonds, cashews, and dates, and it's mixed berry. So, well, there must be some sort of flavor, right? If they're able to. Okay, so they have mint, natural flavors, sea salt, cocoa, chocolate in this one. And then this one has raspberries, natural flavors, strawberries, cranberries. So other than this, they have a mixed berry blend. It's very all natural though, and I don't think there's any carbs. Let's see here. Oh no, there is carbs. But, huh. All right, well anyway, there's 2 of those in here. And then our final item is Cage's Way Too Cool sports towel. Ooh, I don't want to open it up right now because I haven't taken on my pictures. But so anyway, this is a mesh towel that says easy activation. Simply soak it, wring it, wrap it, and re-wet it to reactivate it. Contains water and maintains coolness while staying dry to the touch. Machine washable. Oh, we're going to the beach. This is going to come in handy. So these are those cooling towels. I do have one of these somewhere. I always forget I have it. But they're just great to like put in your body and stay cool if you're in the sun. So this one you can reuse, you can reactivate it. I don't know how they work. It's all magic as far as I'm concerned, but that's very cool. So what do you guys think of this box? Let me know down below. I am going to do a full review, like I said, so I'll link to that as well. Also link to Athlecrate. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!